Hey everybody, I'm in the process of repairing my hat, so while it's in its nude state, it is the perfect time to talk about its construction and what went wrong and why I'm fixing it. So you may have seen this hat on me at events. It's a funny looking hat, isn't it? You can see here that it's made from plaited plant material, and if you take its little hood off, the little horny bit, you might recognize it as a sombrero. The crown of a sombrero, which I've taken a slight angle off on the bottom, so that's why it's sloping backwards like that. I have then used the brim of the sombrero to curl and make this little horn bit, and that gets stuck there on top and stitched down. I've then made this funky looking sock, which I fitted to the hat, and then I fitted to the front of the hat to get the easiest curl. I don't think I've done front and back. Rightio, you can see that I've fitted it to the front and the back to get that shape so it does what it needs to do. I've then folded over a whole bunch of strips of linen. They're just cut on the straight, they're not cut in the bias, and I've just tacked them down onto the sock. See there, quite roughly. And so the reason why I'm replacing the crown of this hat is probably before an event, I was sick and tired of this roughness against my head. So I've grabbed some twill tape and I've sewn it down. That's created, as you can see right here, it's created a fail because I used a regular stitch length, and you shouldn't do that with plant material, can I just say? Just don't do that. I could just replace this little bit with a little bit of the leftover stuff, but I thought that I would just get myself a new one, because why not? It's a little bit stiffer. It's about several years old now, so it's time to replace it. So I'll do the same trimming along the bottom there to create the same angle. I'll recycle that little horn bit because there's nothing wrong with that there. I will hand sew some twill tape along the bottom here, so that will cushion a little bit against my head, but also give me something to sew this little sucker onto. That will allow me to unpick this at any point and launder it, because it gets really, really filthy very quickly. I hope that answers everybody's questions. If you have any more, just shoot me a line and I'll see if I can answer them for you. Thanks, guys.